guys, welcome to my first video on YouTube, and in this video I will be showing you what's inside my travel bag. So I'm always traveling with my FJALLRAVEN Kanken because this bag is huge and it fits pretty much everything. So the first thing that I have inside my bag is my sleeping mask, and this one is from Typo. And then next I have this pouch that I actually made it by myself, and then I put a bunch of pins in there, and what's inside is my passport, my IDs and all that stuff, so I'm not gonna show you guys the details. And then I have my wallet with me, and it's from Torybird. I keep my Polaroid inside this pouch to prevent them from getting scratched. And then I have my Zoefa makeup bag, and it's like very huge, I know. And then next I have my card holder, and it's from Kate Spade. And then I have my wet tissues. Inside this benefit pouch is where I keep my electronics such as my phone charger and my battery camera charger, because I don't have any extra batteries, so I have to bring the charger everywhere around with me, along with my power bank for my phone. Next I have my pencil case, just in case I need to write something, and the last is my journal book. So there's a pocket inside this bag, and then I usually just put my iPad in there, or sometimes I put my phone, but most of the time it's my iPad or my laptop. And then in the smaller pocket I have my tissues and oil control film. Next I have my earphones that I put inside this M&M tin. And the last is my phone. I usually have my camera in hand, so that's why I put my phone inside the smaller pocket, just because it's also easier to reach. And that's all for what's inside my travel bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I had fun making it, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon.